Lesson: Contract Renewals and Termination. Contract renewals and termination are critical components of contract management, demanding a nuanced understanding of legal principles, strategic negotiation skills, and the application of practical tools to ensure optimal outcomes. This lesson delves into these components, offering actionable insights and frameworks that professionals can directly implement to enhance their proficiency in managing contracts effectively. Contract renewals are pivotal in extending the life of a contractual agreement, ensuring the continuity of business relationships and securing ongoing benefits. The renewal process involves evaluating the current contract's performance, assessing the needs and expectations of both parties, and negotiating terms that reflect the evolving business landscape. A structured approach to contract renewals begins with a thorough contract review. This review should identify the contract's key performance indicators and assess whether they have been met. It is crucial to engage all stakeholders in this evaluation to ensure that the contract's objectives align with the organization's strategic goals. One practical tool to facilitate this process is the contract renewal checklist. This checklist serves as a comprehensive guide, prompting contract managers to verify compliance with existing terms, review financial performance, assess risks, and identify opportunities for improvement. By systematically addressing each aspect of the contract, managers can ensure a thorough review process that informs the negotiation of renewal terms. Negotiation is a critical phase in contract renewals, requiring a balance between maintaining a positive relationship with the other party and securing favorable terms for one's organization. The BATNA framework is a valuable tool in this context. By identifying the best alternative to a negotiated agreement, contract managers can leverage their position in negotiations, ensuring that they do not settle for less favorable terms than their alternatives. Effective use of the BATNA framework involves rigorous market analysis and a clear understanding of the organization's priorities. Case studies demonstrate the effectiveness of these tools. For instance, a leading technology company successfully used a contract renewal checklist and BATNA analysis to renegotiate a software licensing agreement with a major vendor. By identifying inefficiencies in the original contract and leveraging their strong market position, the company secured a 20% reduction in licensing fees and enhanced service-level agreements. In contrast to renewals, contract termination involves discontinuing the contractual relationship. Termination can occur for various reasons, including breach of contract, fulfillment of contractual obligations, or mutual agreement to end the contract. Regardless of the reason, termination must be managed carefully to mitigate risks and protect the organization's interests. A critical tool for managing contract termination is the termination protocol. This protocol outlines the necessary steps to ensure a smooth and legally compliant termination process. Key components include reviewing the contract's termination clauses, notifying the counterparty in accordance with contractual and legal requirements, and conducting an exit review to assess lessons learned and potential liabilities. The termination protocol serves as a roadmap, guiding contract managers through the complexities of ending a contractual relationship. Proper documentation is essential throughout the termination process. Maintaining comprehensive records of all communications, decisions, and actions taken during termination is crucial for legal compliance and future reference. The use of contract management software can streamline this documentation process by providing a centralized repository for all contract-related information. Real-world examples highlight the importance of effective termination management. In a notable case, a multinational corporation faced significant litigation following the termination of a supplier contract. The corporation had failed to adhere to the contract's termination notice requirements, resulting in a breach of contract claim. By implementing a robust termination protocol and enhancing their documentation practices, the company subsequently improved their termination processes, reducing legal risks and safeguarding their reputation. Statistics underscore the importance of proficient contract management. A study by the International Association for Contract and Commercial Management found that poor contract management practices can result in a 9% revenue leakage for organizations. This statistic emphasizes the critical need for effective tools and frameworks in both contract renewals and termination to optimize financial performance and minimize risks. In conclusion, effective management of contract renewals and termination requires a strategic approach, leveraging practical tools and frameworks to navigate the complexities of these processes. The Contract Renewal Checklist and BATNA framework provide structured methods for evaluating and negotiating contract renewals, ensuring alignment with organizational goals and securing favorable terms. Similarly, the termination protocol and comprehensive documentation practices are essential for managing contract termination, mitigating risks, and protecting the organization's interests. By implementing these actionable insights, contract managers can enhance their proficiency in contract management, ultimately contributing to the organization's success.